What's up, guys? Just got beats, and today I'm going to show you how I made this Lil Skies Type beat. First of all, I used a sample from Garageband, Apple Loops, this ARP mallet, and then I changed it up a little bit. So let me show you how I changed it up. Alright, so first of all, I changed the ARP sound to this bell type synth with a little delay on it, a little reverb on it, just to add, more to the sound because it was a little too plain for me. Then secondly, I took like this 70s synth type ARP and changed that up just a little bit. I believe I lowered it an octave or two. Let's check that out. And the last melody I did is all the same melody. I just changed it up a little bit. I used a metallic atmosphere out of the mallet kit, and I reversed it so it would have like that strange kind of undertone to it, but it would have fullness to the track. Alright, let's check out the 808. So nextly with the 808, I just try to keep that same vibe that the melody had, not try to add too much to it, but still give it that boom. So I add a little bit of distortion to that as well. Kind of try to keep the kick simple so that way it didn't interfere with the 808 or anything like that. And then we're going to go over to the hi-hats and the claps. So next with the hi-hats, I added 2 different hi-hats just to give it a little bit more bounce, a little bit more fullness and flavor to it. I had 2 different hi-hats in there. One just a basic one, simple one, and the other one I just added a little bit more variation to give it a little bit more bounce and a little bit more flavor. And then lastly, I added the clap and the snare drum. The clap pretty much basic, every third. Pretty much basic, every third. Same thing with the snare, just add a little bit different snare to it to give it a little bit more bounce. Like I told you guys before, I didn't add any compression or anything to this, I just kept it simple. And that's pretty much it. That's how I made the beat. So let's go ahead and listen to it all together now.